So I did some brainstorming last night, and this is what I come up with. I think the amount of vacuum pulling through the intake is actually holding the wastegate open. So even as I'm getting into it, that wastegate being held open is letting the exhaust bypass and not spooling the turbo unless I hit it. And at that point, the initial burst of air will help spool the turbo up, and that's when I got, oh my god, shut it off boost. So we're going to order a one-way check valve for that, so it won't be able to pull suction through, but it will be able to push boost in. I think that's how we're going to fix the problem. But for now, I capped it off. I stuck the line to the side, and we're going to take this thing down to our buddy's shop and check out some things. So come along and see if we fixed it. So we got the laptop hooked up. Heading out on a trip. We're going to take it slow. And hence the whole name of the garage. We'll probably be in the slow lane the entire way. But I'll come back to you whether or not I made it there or I'm on the side of the highway. Let's hope when I make it there.
This thing is awesome.
We're gonna get pulled over today.
So I know we went out to breakfast like once or twice. Have you been in the car since I put the turbo and all stuff on it and actually got into it?
Is this the
Yep.
door? Thank you.
You're welcome, bud.
That was cool.
Do that. Get him, get him. We're gonna get in trouble.
Only if they catch us.
You're crazy. Crazy man. Can I put my ears and my fingers in my ears so?
What? I'm just looking. Oh, we got a pond back here.
Please stop. I'm all done, okay?
Yeah,
Please.
no problem. You gonna do it one more time before we go home?
Yeah, why not? Okay,
You gonna go fast or you gonna spin the tires?
fast.
Alright guys, so I forgot to shoot the outro for that video, but we drove a good 4 hours yesterday beating the crap out of this thing. I had like 2 hours of video that I edited down to that 10-minute compilation. It was, like I said, it was an hour and a half there, hour and a half back. Took it out to lunch, took it out to go shopping, which is why I had my daughter's present in the back. But I mean, we beat this thing up on 10 PSI, no problem at all. It did drink about a quart of oil. So, I mean, between the blow-by and that, these valve covers do have the baffle taken out of them, and it does blow a lot of oil out that way. So, a lot of that's going to be what got blown out into the ground. The 2 catch cans came in, so we're going to put a catch can on each side. That should really help with that. And then we have that one-way check valve coming, like I said. So we're going to turn this from 10 PSI up to 15 PSI. We're going to go thrash this thing, beat the crap out of it. Also, I ordered some 315s for the rear. So I've had 305s in the rear before. It's worked. But we're going to run the 315s. I'm going to make them fit, and you guys are going to watch me. If I got to cut it or beat it, whatever I got to do, it's going to work out. So
I'll bring you along for all that, but until next time, have fun with it.